Hey there. Thank you for exploring Cloudshot, empowering your cloud journey every step of the way. Now, let's begin with the sign-in process in Cloudshot. Simply enter your email ID and password. Check the box to accept the terms and conditions and click the Sign In button. You can also choose to sign in using Google or Microsoft for a faster and seamless login experience. On this screen, you'll notice multiple cloud providers like AWS, Azure, GCP, and more. You can integrate with any of them, and we also have helpful video guides for each one. But for now, let's focus on adding an Oracle Cloud Infrastructure account in Cloudshot. To connect your OCI Cloud account to Cloudshot, click on Start with OCI. This will take you to a form where you can enter your OCI account credentials. You'll now see a form asking for the following information. Account name. You can enter any name of your choice. Compartment OCI ID. User ID. API key fingerprint. Tenancy ID. Region. Private key. Don't worry if you're not sure where to find these. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll find a clear, step-by-step guide on how to retrieve each of these credentials from your Oracle Cloud Console. Here, enter an account name of your choice. Next, we need to add the compartment OCI ID. This is like a folder where all your OCI resources are organized. Then comes the user ID. It's a unique identifier that tells OCI who you are. After that, we have the API key fingerprint, a small part of your API key that helps verify your identity securely. Now, enter your tenancy ID. This represents your entire Oracle Cloud account. Choose the right region. This decides where your cloud resources will be hosted geographically. And finally, upload your private key. This works with your API key to securely connect Cloudshot to your OCI account. Once you've filled in all the required details, simply click the Submit button. And just like that, your OCI account will be added successfully. When you click on the Cloudshot menu, it shows you all the features for managing your cloud services like AWS, Azure, and many more. You can also fetch your network diagram directly from here. Alternatively, to view your OCI network diagram, head to the top navigation bar and click on OCI Network Discovery. A pop-up screen will appear. In that, select your desired compartment from the drop-down. You can skip empty components if needed. Then click the Show Deployment button. And then OCI diagram will be fetched successfully. If you want to monitor it in real time, click Yes. To learn more about real-time monitoring, check out the video. You can toggle real-time monitoring on or off using the switch in the navigation bar. And that's it. Want to learn more about Cloudshot? Check out our other videos to see how to connect different cloud platforms and explore our other powerful features in Cloudshot.